Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you all how I watercolored my first 613 wig. So I got this hair from Amazon. I'm gonna link it in the description. I'm not really sure what the name was, I actually forgot, but I'm going to link the exact link I used. So this wig was supposed to be 20 inches, but it doesn't seem like 20 inches at all to me. But this little style here is so cute. I need to flip this a little more. But like, so I wanted to get the perfect blue for my skin tone, and I feel like I did it, you guys. I'm going to show you everything I use, everything, all the steps, plucking, all of that in this video. So I really hope you all enjoy it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madamebrittney. If you want to see like pictures of me with this hair and stuff and stories. Follow my lash company, Casino Lashes, on Instagram. And thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. See you all in a little bit. So I got this wig from Amazon, like I said earlier, and it came with Amazon Prime, so it only took like 2 days to come. I'm just showing you all the little packaging. I didn't have time to try to be cutesy. I just ripped it open because I was really excited. This is actually my first 613 wig ever. So, of course, I had to do blue. That's the color I've been wanting for a while since quarantine started. So here's the wig. It didn't seem like very long to me. But yeah, a lot of parting space, a lot. So I really like that. So to protect the lace when I watercolor the hair, I decided to spray the lace with Got to Be Glue Freeze spray. So the problem here is I only sprayed the, like, where the hair was. I feel like I should have sprayed the front. I didn't do that because I knew I would cut it off, but the hair looked a little, the lace still looked a little blue to me. But I'm going to fix that in a little bit, so make sure you all keep watching. But I love how much parting space this wig has. So I used 2 full things of the Adore Royal Navy. I thought I was going to use Indigo Blue, but I didn't. And I actually had like a little smidge of old Royal Navy. There was probably 1/4 full. So I had to switch pots because my mama didn't want me using that pot for some reason. But I boiled hot water, have it in the pot right now. You can see it steaming. It is super duper hot. So I'm going to begin pouring the Royal Navy Adore dye in there. Just easy enough. Just pour it right in there. Get a whisk to stir it around. So now I'm going to get a paper towel and check to see if the water is the color I actually want it to be. So that is the color we have. It is super duper dark. So that is telling me that is going to be the color of my hair. So I'm going to stir it around and go ahead and dip the hair in. You can see it already taken as soon as you do it. I forgot that I didn't have my gloves on. So I just started dipping the hair in the, pushing the hair in the water with the little whisk. So after 10 minutes, I checked on the hair to see what color it was when I lifted the hair out of the water, and it was pretty blue. But I wanted to make sure every single part got blue dye on it. So there's the blue. I could see like some strands were a little lighter than others, but I didn't really mind that. But I just had to search through all the hair and make sure it was all the color I wanted it to be. So I ended up finding a strand that looked a little too light blue. So I ended up taking my Adore bottle and just like dipping it in the water. So it's taking out like any dye left over in the bottle, and pouring it directly on that light piece and kind of massaging it a little bit, just to make sure even those little light strands get the color I want them to be. So all together, I let the hair dye. Well, I let the hair sit in the water for about 20 minutes. And now I'm going to rinse the dye out and see what this color actually looks like. This is what we have right now, you guys. Okay, so the hair is still very wet right now, but this is what it looks like. The lace looked a little blue to me, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix that. And plus the knots are blue now, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix that. But the hair looks purple in the light, so I'm going to show you it. It doesn't look purple at all, you guys, but right here it looks a little purple to me. Okay, so we are about to fix that lace. This is how it looks outside. It looks absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, the lace has a little light blue tint. So I'm going to take my Sally Hansen airbrush legs. This is in the color Deep Glow. I feel like no one ever says the color they use. I use Deep Glow. I could probably use a lighter color too, but that's just the one I use. Okay guys, so when you're doing this, please put a little distance between the spray bottle and the wig. Hold the wig from a distance, and it's going to be a lot of spray. Make sure you shake it, and you can see that the lace is already turning brown. So this is a perfect way if you don't want to tint your lace, or if you don't want to bleach your knots. This is like, everyone needs one of these. I feel like if you run out of bleach, this thing works, and you barely use any, so I'm pretty sure it'll last long. It literally works so well. So yeah, I'm just spraying it. I got this on Amazon too, because they sell it in Walgreens, but they never sell the darker colors in Walgreens. So I'm going to also link that in the description box. I feel like plucking is so important, especially with a colorful wig, because it's going to take your wig from a Party City looking wig to an Arrogant Tay looking wig. It is very important to pluck your lace, customize that hairline, please. You can see I got a little spray on the edges, but that really won't matter in a little bit at all. The hair is slightly damp, looks gorgeous, but I'm going to go ahead and pluck. So it's just all of parting and plucking with tweezers, you guys. I have a video of how I do this in depth on my channel, so check it out. Hey guys, so I want to show you that the tracks are still going to be white no matter what you do. So I'm going to take my black eyeliner and just color over the tracks. Because like if it's white, you're going to be able to see it very well, but if it's black, you won't be able to see it well. Like no matter how thick the hair is, you can kind of see that. So I'm just gonna color over it. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I really like this, surprisingly, like especially this hairstyle. Okay, but this is super cute to me. All I did was just literally put it up and then just flip the ends with a flat iron, so it's not that much to show you as far as styling, but I just really like this. It is a look, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day, you guys. Bye.